this video we are continuing our Python basics videos. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to open Visual Studio Code and I'm going to open the example folder which we created. And if you didn't see any of these things, make sure you check the video. Now we are going to learn about if statement. So we'll just create a new file called if.py and okay now so let us first understand what is if. So if means if statements are just checking statements, so it can be true, false, or true or false. So the most common example is if it is raining outside, take an umbrella. So if we are checking something, so if this is true, we must execute something, and if it is not true, we will execute something else. So let us see how to do that. So first thing is we are just going to have a variable, and this variable is going to be a string, so we'll name this hello for now. And we are going to have an if statement. So an if statement will have a set of parentheses, and then we are going to check whether x is double equal to hello. So I am using double equal to. So double equal to means it returns a boolean value. A boolean value means true or false. So when you give it like this, it says that you cannot you cannot assign a value under the if statement. So double equal to means we are checking whether the value of x, which is hello, is equal to hello. So now we are going to insert in other languages we see that we use curly braces and we have the if statement like that, but in Python you just have a colon and an indented space, so a tab space, and we're going to have print true. So now when we save this and opening the terminal and python 3 space if.py, okay, now it returns true because this hello is equal to hello. Now what if there should be, for example, if this is hello space world, so now it will return an error. So it will return nothing because this is false. So we are going to have an else statement. So else means if the if statement is false, we must run this. So we are going to print false over here for understanding, and now we are going to save it, and now it returns false. So now when we change it to hello world, now when we save this, it becomes true. So by mistake I gave a backward slash. Okay, so now what if we wanted to check more than two conditions? So here now if I just have hello world and bye, now this will return false, but we are going to check for another condition where if this is also true, print this. So over here we are going to remove the indent, so it must come before the else statement and after the if statement. So that is else if, sorry, it is elif. So it's elif, and here we must give a condition. So x is double equal to hello world and bye, sorry, hello world and bye, a same colon, and here print this is also true. Okay, now when we save this and run our now when we run, so you can see that we are not given, so this also checks for the spaces and all those things. And now when we when we run it, you can see that this is also true. So that's all guys, you have learned the if statement. I'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.